What is project budget planning? Have you ever wondered how project managers keep everything on track financially? Let's break down the concept of project budget planning. This process is all about estimating, allocating, and managing the money needed to complete a project successfully. It's like creating a detailed financial map that outlines every expected expense for each part of the project. To kick things off, project budget planning starts with defining the project's scope and objectives. This means understanding what the project aims to achieve. After that, project managers break down deliverables into smaller tasks. A tool called Work Breakdown Structure can help with this. It helps identify all activities and resources needed, like labor, materials, and equipment. Now let's talk about the main components of a project budget. First up are labor costs. These are expenses related to personnel, including salaries, wages, benefits, and training. It's important to estimate these accurately by considering the skills and time required for each task. Next, we have material costs. This includes the costs of raw materials, equipment, software, and supplies necessary for the project. Careful quantification is key to avoid underestimating these expenses. Then there are overhead costs. These are indirect costs like rent, utilities, and insurance. They are essential for project operations but not tied to specific tasks. Lastly, we have contingency funds. This is reserved money set aside for unexpected expenses or risks that may pop up during the project. The amount set aside depends on how complex and risky the project is. The budgeting process usually goes hand in hand with the project schedule. The timing of tasks directly affects cost estimates. Project managers gather inputs like resource requirements and historical data to create a realistic budget. Once the budget is approved, it serves as a baseline for measuring actual costs and spotting any variances. Ongoing monitoring is also a big part of project budget planning. Project managers regularly compare actual spending to the budget. If costs go up or schedules slip, they may need to adjust the project scope or timeline to stay on track. In practical terms, project budget planning gives project managers a financial framework for making informed decisions. It helps them anticipate risks and communicate clearly with stakeholders about resource needs. By accounting for all cost factors, project managers can prevent surprises and manage the project effectively. So, next time you think about project management, remember that budget planning is a vital piece of the puzzle that keeps everything running smoothly.